Are you looking for the best Creality 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best Creality 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Ender 3v3 SE. The Ender 3v3 SE is the latest version of the popular 3D printer line. It carries on the legacy of being an affordable and beginner-friendly machine, but now with more features. To kick things off, the Ender 3v3 SE has two lead screws on the Z-axis and a linear rail motion system for the Y-axis. These make the printer sturdy and reliable, essential for producing high-quality prints. The well-tested Sprite direct extruder also ships with the V3 SE. It works well with flexible filaments as well as common ones like PLA, ABS, and PETC. The V3 SE's maximum print speed of 250 mm per second is a notable feature. You can 3D print a benchy in less than 30 minutes, which is faster than most printers in the same price range. Additionally, Creality has made the automatic bed leveling process better by adding a strain gauge sensor and a CR touch probe. You no longer have to fiddle with setting the Z offset. The printer does it all. Number 2. Creality K1. With a top speed of 600 mm per second, the Creality K1 is the fastest Creality 3D printer right now. As a relatively affordable option, it competes well with machines from Bambi Lab and similar companies. Thanks to its Corksy motion system, the K1 can print at high speeds without sacrificing much print quality. The printer's Corksy structure offers a more lightweight experience, so the frame stays stable even when the print head is moving very quickly. The Creality K1 comes with a completely new extruder and hot end setup. This set comes with a pancake stepper motor and a dual gear direct drive extruder. A powerful 60 watts ceramic heater heats the hot end up to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds. Impressively fast by any standard. Number 3. Creality CR-M4. The CR-M4 deserves attention from anybody considering 3D printing for large-scale models or industrial prototypes. At 450 by 450 by 470, it has a massive build space that makes 3D printers like the Ender 3 series look puny in comparison. There are perks to creating big models in one piece with this huge build size. Swords, cosplay parts, tall vases, enclosures. The CR-M4 can probably print them in one go. No gluing or post-printing assembly necessary. To increase stiffness, the CR-M4 uses two lead screws on the Z-axis, two linear rails on the Y-axis, as well as diagonal stabilizing rods on its frame. Collectively, these parts make the printer incredibly stable and reduce banding or Z-wobble issues. The M4 also has a 25-point automatic bed leveling system that makes it easy to level the big bed. In the testing of our CR-M4 review, we were pleased with the initial layers and the precision of the leveling. We also noticed that the M4 made a lot of noise, making it less ideal if you want to work in the same room. Number 4. Ender 3 S1 Pro. It's been a year since Creality's S1 series came on the market. The Ender 3 S1 Pro is currently the top-of-the-line printer in the Ender 3 series. It's also one of the best all-around printers that Creality makes. The machine comes with the standard Ender 3 form factor and a build area of 220 by 220 by 250 mm. The combination of the Sprite Pro direct extruder, the all-metal hot end, and high-temperature print bed mean that you can use the S1 Pro to tackle all kinds of filaments. Another strong point is the S1 Pro's pay-print surface, as it gives excellent print adhesion. The bed heats up uniformly and reduces warping and curling issues with filaments like ABS or PC. The S1 Pro's luxury features, such as its LED light bar, language compatibility, and touch screen, are useful as well. They make using the machine that much easier. Number 5. HALOT-MAGE Pro8K. Creality's HALOT-MAGE Pro stands out as the most premium offering from Creality in the resin department. It's large, well constructed, and comes with a lot of advanced features for the price. It boasts a remarkable maximum 170 mm/hour printing speed. Realistically, however, you should be able to print around 100 to 130 mm/hour. Still faster than most other best resin printers. Other than speed, Creality has focused on the LCD screen as well. The HALOT-MAGE Pro uses an 8K LCD screen for its 228 by 128 by 213 build size. This gives you an XE resolution of 0.029 mm, which is a lot better than the 0.050 mm range of most resin printers. The result is crisper and clearer 3D prints that display many more fine details. Creality has also included a smart resin pump, a first in its resin printers. While the implementation and operation of the pump are not as developed as we would have liked, we appreciate Creality experimenting in this direction.